Connecting KuCoin Spot and Futures to MetaTrader 5, provided by the TradingFinder team. From this section, you can download the Expert Advisor file for the MetaTrader 5 platform, and traders can also read this page to learn about how the service works and its functionality. We run the Expert Advisor file from the Navigator section. Before running the file, go to the Tools tab and open the Options section. Go to the Expert Advisors tab. At the bottom section, enable the Allow Web Requests option, and in this area, enter the two KuCoin Exchange URLs here. The very first link provided is specifically for the KuCoin Exchange for spot trading, and the second link is for the KuCoin Exchange for futures trading. You can simply copy these two URLs directly from the website and paste them here, and then click the Confirm button to proceed. After that, I run the Expert Advisor. When the Expert Advisor runs on the platform, a message from the expert appears in the Expert section indicating that 1,284 pairs related to spot have been detected and 424 pairs related to futures. I go to the Market Watch section. Here I right-click and go to the Symbol section. In this section, under the Custom tab, I go into the KuCoin FS folder. Here I can view different currencies and pairs. The pairs related to spot are marked with an S, and the pairs related to futures are marked with an F. In this section, I carefully select one of the currencies. I open the chart for the selected currency. At the bottom, it shows me a message about the candles being fed, indicating that 999 candles have been fed from the KuCoin Exchange for spot and their data has been received. This service transfers the coins and pairs available on the KuCoin Exchange to MetaTrader 5, allowing us to conduct our analyses on this platform, but it does not provide us with the ability to trade on this platform. This Expert Advisor receives real-time data from the KuCoin Exchange's official API for both the futures and spot markets and displays them for us as price charts. Every tick that occurs on the KuCoin Exchange is captured based on its high, low, open, and close data, and with each tick, the prices are updated in the MetaTrader 5 platform and new candlesticks are generated. In the Settings section under Inputs, only two options are available to us. In the first section, we can specify the number of candlesticks that are fetched and displayed from the KuCoin Exchange, with a minimum of 300 and a maximum of 10,000 candlesticks selectable in this section. The next section is for when you want to open two or more charts of the same symbol and want their number of candlesticks to be equal. For example, let's say we have a symbol and have opened several different charts of it. If this input is set to true, each chart will have 1,000 candlesticks. But if it is set to false, the chart with the higher time frame will take the candlesticks from the chart with the lower time frame and generate its own candlesticks accordingly. To make this even clearer, here I'm going to open up a second chart of the same symbol, which, just to be clear, will be displayed for me with a plus sign. 1. As we can see at the bottom, the verse related to the data feed is displayed, showing that data for 99 candles has been received. We can very easily and conveniently switch between a variety of different time frames, all while keeping the exact same number of 99 candles displayed on the chart. This makes it simple to compare trends across multiple periods. however. If I set this option to false in the application settings, and I already have a second chart open that is displaying data for this same trading symbol, then this is the configuration I will be working with. And I switch to the 4-hour time frame, which is a larger time frame than my first chart, meaning the 1-hour mode. Here, 99 candles are displayed for me, whereas on the second chart, only about 250 candles are shown in this section. The candles in my 4-hour time frame are actually constructed from the 1-hour candles in the first chart, meaning it takes the data and candles from the first chart and then builds its own candles in the second chart. Also, if I switch to the daily time frame, it displays even fewer candles for me. When this option is set to false, we can only review time frames that are longer than 1 hour, and we can't access any time frames that are shorter than 1 hour from the first chart. So, in this particular case, it simply doesn't display their data for us at all. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this tutorial for this service. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.